Hello everybody, I'm Randall. We're back at Home Depot going to see what kind of deals we can find. We got a deal on the Milwaukee M18 2-tool combo kit. You're going to get a 1/2 inch hammer drill driver. You're going to get a 1/4 inch impact driver. You're going to get a 4 amp hour battery, one 2 amp hour battery, one battery charger, one contract bag. That was $2.99. New lower price, $2.49. There's your number. Okay guys, we got a Dewalt Flex Vote combo kit. You're going to get the string trimmer. You're going to get the blower. You're going to get a 9 amp hour battery. You're going to get the charger. That was $4.79. New lower price, $430. There's your number. Okay guys, we got the Milwaukee 18 boat, 2 gallon wet or dry back. That price was $129, new lower price $99. That is tool only. You got this Dewalt 6-piece clamp set, $29.98. Some good looking clamps. We got the Milwaukee impact drill and drive set. That was $29.97. New lower price $24.97. You got the Milwaukee red Helix 23-piece titanium drill bit set. That was $34.97. New lower price $29.97. Got this Milwaukee M12 tool only fan. $79. There's your number. They got the Milwaukee pack out tumblers, the 20 ounce, $29.88, the 30 ounce, $34.88. Got the Milwaukee M18 fuel 2 gallon trim compressor. That was $3.49. New lower price $3.29. There's your number. Got the Milwaukee M18 fuel 18 gauge brad nailer. Was $2.99. New lower price $2.79. That is tool only. Got the rigid 18 volt digital inflator. Price was $69. New lower price $49. That is tool only.